We just installed this 2014 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner Hamilton Premium Conversion Kit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Man, what a difference this makes. I'm going to give you a preview of the features. Look at this 13-inch screen. This display is so nice. Any apps you have that work with Apple CarPlay will show up here and you can use them. Here's your music, whether you use Apple Music, Pandora, Spotify, all compatible here. This shows all your music options, albums, everything. Man, look at that picture. That is nice. Also, Siri will tell you where you're going. She'll read your directions for you.
Starting route to Murphy, USA. Head north on Corporation Parkway.
Apple CarPlay also makes texting easy.
Parker said, do y'all sell Apple CarPlay for Toyota 4Runners? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
We absolutely do.
It says, we absolutely do. Send it?
Yes.
Done.
Not only does it make texting easy, it makes calling easy too, just by calling Siri. Hey Siri, call Davis.
Calling Davis' house.
Davis, we just installed this Hamilton Apple CarPlay conversion kit. How do we sound?
You sound great. I bet it looks even better.
Absolutely, boss man. Have a good day. Not only does Apple CarPlay make texting and calling super easy, you also don't lose your factory functionality. When I put this car in reverse, the backup camera pops up in park, right back to Apple CarPlay. You also don't lose your steering wheel controls. As you can see, I'm going up and down with the volume. If you have any questions, just check us out at hamiltonmotorcompany.com or give me a call at 919-858-2890. See you later.